Hi, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we're talking about how to merge boards on Pinterest. Maybe you have multiple boards on the same topic and you want to consolidate them into one board. Or perhaps you accidentally created duplicate boards and want to merge them. So today I am going to show you how to merge boards on Pinterest. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So let's start. First, open the Pinterest application and log into your account. Once you are logged in, go to your profile page by tapping on this profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. On this page, you will see all the boards that you have created. Now, tap on the board that you want to merge with another board. Once you are on the board page, tap on these three dots located at the top right corner of the screen. After that, a pop-up menu will appear, and here, select this Merge Boards option. This will allow you to select the board that you want to merge with the current board. Now, select the board that you want to merge with the current board from this list. Once you have selected the board, a pop-up menu will appear asking you to confirm if you really want to merge these boards. Simply tap on this Merge button to confirm. After that, Pinterest will now merge the two boards together. And as you can see, all the pins from the boards that you have merged are now added into this main board. There you go. If you wanted to know how to merge boards on Pinterest, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to merge boards on Pinterest, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.